So friends, welcome to my channel. Your wait is over. Yes guys, today in this video I am showing the end time of the large scale maintenance in eFootball 2024. Yes guys, for all countries. So guys, watch this video till end and do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So on the screen, the end time of the large scale maintenance in eFootball 24 is shown for Turkey. The time is 11 a.m. For India, the time is 1:30 p.m. For Cambodia, the time is 2 p.m. and for Egypt is 10 a.m. For Indonesia, 4 a.m. For Kenya, 11 a.m. For Malaysia, 4 p.m. For South Korea, 5 p.m. For Japan, 5 p.m. For Nepal, 1:45 p.m. For China, 4 p.m. For Italy, 10 p.m. For USA, 4 p.m. For UK, 9 a.m. For Brazil and Russia, 11 a.m. For Thailand, 3 p.m. For Nigeria, 9 a.m. For Spain, 7 a.m. Romania, 6 a.m. and Hong Kong, 4 p.m. Norway, 7 a.m. Greece, 6 a.m. Netherlands, 7 a.m. Bulgaria, 6 a.m. Belgium, 9 a.m. France, 9 a.m. Singapore, 4 a.m. Germany, 9 a.m. Vietnam, 3 a.m. and England, 9 a.m. For Pakistan and Argentina is 5 a.m. and for Sri Lanka is 1:30 p.m. And if your country is not showing on the screen, you can comment me and I am give the end time in the comment box and in your reply. So guys, this is the end time of the maintenance for all countries in eFootball 2024. So guys, I hope you understand the end time of the maintenance in eFootball 2024. And if you guys having any other problem, you can comment me and I'm trying to solve your problem. So guys, I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.